Hello everyone. I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to install TrendMicro to your computer. TrendMicro is providing us with a worry-free business security service. It's going to be protecting you from antivirus, and it's also going to be monitoring your computer and protecting you from other threats as well. So this is how it's going to go. The first step is going to be to download TrendMicro from the email link. You will be receiving an email like this from me that has a custom URL created just for you. You're going to click on that and you're going to download it using your web browser just like you always do. There's some things that you need to know. You're going to need to find the name of your computer. So the name of your computer is located under Computer Properties. On this Windows 7 computer, I can find that by going in here, right-clicking or left-clicking, kind of, just the opposite of your usual click on Computer, and then just click Properties, and it will bring up the window where you can find your computer name. So just take a note of your computer name in there. Mine is VM-jcrosh-4530S. We're going to need to enter that in a minute. So you're going to click on the link and it's going to take you to a page where you're going to enter the name of your computer and then you're going to initiate the download. Okay, so here's the device label. It wants you to put in a friendly name. So I'm going to do this, put it in here, and then once you've done that, you go ahead and click download. I've already downloaded it, so I'm going to minimize this because we don't need to go through that step. So you'll have the download in your downloads folder waiting for you to install it. Now before you install it, you're going to have to disable Sophos. Sophos is Resource One's managed service. And to do that, what you'll need to do is go down here on the toolbar and find the shield with the blue S on it. If you don't see it hanging out here on the bottom, it may be here under hidden icons, but that's the one you're looking for. Again, you will right click to bring up the shortcut menu and you'll click Open Sophos Endpoint Security and Control. There will be a security warning asking if you really want to run it, and you do. And once it's up, you'll see this control panel. Here in the center of the control panel is a link to Authenticate User. So we have a password here. The password is without a net 18, and that's capital W, capital A, capital N, number 18. You'll take that, click Authenticate User, and enter that in the password box. Once you've entered that, go to Configure Tamper Protection, open that box, and unclick the box that says Enable Tamper Protection. So you'll unclick the box and click OK, and then Tamper Protection will be disabled. Now, if you have to interrupt the process and go away and do something, this will reset after 4 hours. So you may need to come back and do it again. At any rate, we're going to proceed to install TrendMicro. Now, TrendMicro is going to do the job of uninstalling all of the Sophos components for you. And I'm just going to find my TrendMicro installer. This is what it looks like, WFBS-SVC, that's Worry-Free Business Services installer. So I'll just click that and run. And this is going to take a while, so I'm going to pause the screen capture. Oh, what's this? Requires privileges required for installation. Okay. Alright. I should mention at this point that if you run into problems, for example, if the administrator credentials on Sophos is grayed out, or if you run into an issue like this where you don't have administrator privileges to your computer, you might need to call me for some special help. So it looks like I need to jump off for a minute and reestablish my administrator privileges, and I'll be right back.